Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we'll be looking at the Litecoin and Xrp Ripple chart. We'll see what's happening, what we can expect, and yeah, without wasting any time, let's get into it. As you can see right here, I'm on Litecoin US dollar daily chart, and we have a ascending broadening wedge. So right now I'm waiting what it's going to do because we have this wedge, but we need to wait for a confirmation, which I'll explain in a few minutes. So as you can see, we had our wave A, wave B, C, D, E. Then we had this correction, and now we're moving back upwards. So if you look at our wave E, it's around 330, 335, and this is actually important level. And why is that an important level? Because this is actually our confirmation. What I mean by that is, if you look at this picture, this is a setting broadening wedge, and as you can see, our wave E is a confirmation. So what we need to do is wait for a break through this wave E, retest that level, and then we continue the trend. So basically, what we are going to do here is we are going to wait for the price of Litecoin to push up, break this 330 structure level, then come back to retest it, and then trend continuation. Now, why are we going to wait for this confirmation? Because what actually can happen is that the prices go back up and actually can't break through this structure level. So we have something like this and another push downwards. So that is why it's important. We have rules and we follow the rules of this broadening ascending wedge. And if you were planning to enter using this strategy, you wait for a breakthrough. The next thing I wanted to show you is the Litecoin Bitcoin chart, and this actually shows how underrated Litecoin is right now. As you can see, we have this big major structural level right here, which was tested once, no, actually once here, then again here, and third time right here recently. What we are looking for is for Litecoin to push through this structural level, then retest that structural level, and then push again. So the move should be like this. As you can see, we came back up, now we are down, and now if the next move we can break through this structural level, then retest, and then we continue upwards. This will definitely also have some impact on the US dollar prices of Litecoin. So that is also why we are always checking the Litecoin Bitcoin chart. And if I zoom out a little bit, you can see how underrated it is right now. We are actually at a rock bottom if you look at the bigger picture, because the last time we were at this level was in 2017, and yeah, the push right there was immense. I don't expect something like this, but it is still pretty much underrated. So I would definitely keep that one in mind. And now let's move over to our Ripple. Yeah, Ripple, as you can see, I'm using the 4-hour chart. And after our push towards almost $2, we had this correction. And we finally found support around 118. Then we had a consolidation, then a brief breakout below that structure level. You could call this actually a false breakout, because then we just re-entered our consolidation zone between 147 and 118, and we continue to consolidate until like yesterday we had this breakout, and now we're going sideways again. So yeah, for me the best case scenario would be which probably might happen. So after this breakout, the prices should come back to this 148 structural level, retest this structural level, and then move up from here. And that's one of the methods you could use to enter the market, because the retest is actually really important. And why is that important, you might ask? Because this initial breakout, this is 90% guarantee that you will miss this and you are not going to catch it. And if we look at the Elliott wave correction ABC, we had a clear ABC correction after this push up, which was pretty much expected. So we have our A here, B, and C. This is our ABC correction, and after this ABC correction, as you can see, we started moving back up and we continued upwards. Next thing, we are going to look at Xrp Bitcoin chart. Here again, we have this major structure level around 3,500 sets, and yeah, Xrp tried twice actually to push through this resistance, once here and once right here, but unsuccessful. And then we had this big drop, and now we are probably heading towards this zone again to retest it. So let me zoom in a little bit and show you what happened. As you can see, at this rock bottom we had this big push, which most of the people will miss unless you bought at the rock bottom and you just held your XRP. But if you missed it, again, you should have waited for the retest of the key market structure level. And as you can see, we went back to retest this 2200 sets, this key market level. And after this retest, we are continuing upwards. So we have our trend continuation. And as I said previously, we are probably going to retest this resistance again. Okay, this is it. I hope you have some better picture of this Litecoin and Xrp charts. And if you have any questions, just comment below and I'll try to respond as much as possible. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.